It is natural for both genders to watch the opposite gender for various reasons. Clearly, even though she's at home, them shorts are all up in her ass, and her ass is all up in the air, and this little guy can't help it because he's a male. Okay? Yet you'll see females like this in public, mad and upset that young men, older men, and their age men looking at them or staring at them and calling them creepy, as if us males and men invented nature. And yet they walk around attracting attention while saying that they're not looking to attract our attention. Make sense? I'm curious to know if she has or will talk to her son or get the father, the dad, to talk to the son to help explain how to avoid the traps that men and males fall for and to prepare him for society. I'm just curious. I would like for all ladies to know, whether you know it or not, that this is when it starts at babies. This is when we start paying attention and liking girls. And to those who gaslight us into thinking something's wrong with us when it's simply nature. This little fella got a lot of love for a lot of ladies. And once again, it's natural for us to be that way as we still produce sperm until our 80s and 90s. It's just we can't go around just busting all over the place with no responsibility. Yeah, I feel you, little man. I've had a few of them that had me looking at them just like that too. We can't help ourselves. And in fact, I've even had some females look at me like that. And I understand how the females can feel creeped out because I felt creeped out. But it's harmless. It's nature. It's all about um, what you do with it or how you do it in a more respectful manner. Box head little boy, gonna do a whole 360.